we are going to be drawing and coloring this soccer jersey or whatever types of jersey that you actually want to color and draw. So we are going to be using some colored pencils, which I have it here is a colored pencil. And with that being said, let's begin with the match. I meant the tutorial, and we'll start creating and let's go. So I'm going to be drawing and coloring a Brazil jersey, but you can draw and color your own jersey with any of the countries. It doesn't have to be the exact one as mine. You can just check the list like what I've told you from earlier. All right, so for this Brazil jersey, I actually start to draw outline shirt there. You can just find it on my direct Google file in my Google Drive. The link is there in the description down below. If you want to have it, or you can actually just draw it by hand as outline and blank. Well, whatever it comes up to your mind. Okay, so I'm going to start with the outlines. We'll start with the end sleeves, the rib parts. And to do that, I'm going with green this time because the Brazil flag, it has a solid green background there. I'll just do it like this. And it's okay if you can tilt your paper so that it's comfortable for you in your coloring paste position. Okay. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. That looks really great. And now, what I see from the image is that there are straps there. So I'm going to draw some straps like for the sides, And I'm actually gonna be using it with a ruler so that I just don't want to make any wonky lines like these, like the outline. I want is a straight line. Okay, do this carefully here from top to bottom. And then I'm going to fill it in. We will also do the same thing later on. I'm just gonna fill it in first. Okay, now the other side. That looks perfect enough. That looks fantastic. Alrighty, so before we're going to shade the whole area of the jersey, I just want to inform you a little bit is that FIFA jerseys usually have a soccer badge there on the left side of the shirt, right there near the top. So what I can actually do is we're gonna be creating a soccer ball symbol, and to be fair with that, This is actually a splendid color, as seen. So this is corn flour. It is like a really lighter blue, or probably lighter than lighter blue, but a little bit darker than sky blue. We'll see about that. And I will be drawing a circle there. If you don't mind about it, right? Please do. We will be creating an outline with just the colored pencil. And I know mine is overlapping, but it's okay for that. I think I'd recommendedly go with my outline circle as I'm drawing right now. Okay. And I will be drawing some pentagons, because soccer balls, the darker shades, they use pentagons, while hexagons are for whites. So let's just do that. And we'll also do for the sides. We can just do that. This looks all right though. Oh, and actually, we're gonna be coloring the neck rib. And to do that, let's use red. And this time we're gonna make a curved V shape there, right around the rib neck. This won't be too hard. Perfect. And now I'm going to outline first. Let's go around it. This is obviously looking pretty great. And we're gonna be using the last color, which will be shading the whole area. Let's use yellow, and we don't want to overlap with any of the designs, such as the soccer ball symbol. It looks fantastic! We can use a fine liner to outline the jersey, but only the perimeter of the jersey, nothing else. Or it's okay, you can just leave it like that. It's up to you, but I could go for the outlining with my fine liner. Now you get to end to cheer with your favorite team in the FIFA tournament match and to predict that who is gonna win for this year's FIFA World Cup tournament. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. And please share it and like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time and have fun.